Hi guys, it's math time. So I'm logging on down to where it says math. Today we are going to have a goal. It says I can review my multiplication strategies and apply them to arrays. First things first, you clicked on this math video. That's what you're watching right now. Today it says complete page 58 and 59 in your Bridges math book. So reminders, that's that yellow book in the top right corner says Bridges. Top right corner says Bridges. And you're going to be looking for, just like I mentioned, page 58. I can see it kind of hiding back down here underneath. There it goes, 58. On page 58, it says Wendell's Windows. So pause the video if you need a moment to grab that. Otherwise, keep watching and then you can do it after. Our focus today at the very top, first two questions are about arrays. Remember, arrays are boxes with equal size groups so that we can look at the rows side to side and the columns that go up and down. Today, we're just going to do a little practice with two questions about windows. You guys know how to do this. We worked on it all last week, so you should be an expert. First question's about Wally cleaning windows in the grocery store and his son helping him out. If you need help reading these two questions, hopefully somebody can help you at your house read them. Or, of course, if you have a hard time, use our strategies. Find the numbers, read the numbers around them. You've got this. For question number 3, it's asking you to complete a number line puzzle. All it's asking is you to fill in these empty boxes. I'm going to give you a quick reminder that all of these equations are times 4. Our fours trick is double. So I'll give you a little tricky on this first one. 3 times 4, if we're using our fours trick, looking over at our 3, that means 3 plus 3 is, I hope you said 6, and 6 plus 6 is? Yes, whatever you just said, or if you're just staring at the computer confused, you're going to put that answer right down here, right here in this little bubble. Once you do 4 times 4, how old do you have to be to drive a 4x4? Yes, you know the right answer. 7 times 4, 8 times 4. And then this one's a little tricky. It's asking what times 4 equals 40. We know it can't be 8, 7, 4, or 3. My guess is probably either 9 or 10 or 11 or 12. It is above 8, so I'm guessing it's a higher number. Give it your best try. Solve it over here if you need some space, or even use your whiteboards. Last but not least on this page, it's skip counting by 9. So our first box says 9, blank, 27, blank, 54, blank, 81. What we want to do is skip count by 9s and fill in these empty boxes. B says how many 9s are there in 63? Jump count. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, 8, and 9 groups of 9. So how many are going to be in this little box right here, and how many jumps did it take to get there? All right, put in your guess here or your correct answer, and then it says, how do you know? Just write kind of an explanation down here. Maybe you counted, maybe you divided, maybe you used your fingers. Give me an answer down here. Remember, guys, this page is extremely important to fill out, because when you guys come to school next week, we'll be opening up our notebooks and I'll be checking off that you guys have this finished. So don't leave it blank. Complete it. Next, you're flipping your page. You're going to see this one, pet store price list. So ladies and gentlemen, this one's going to be a little bit of skip counting, a little bit of multiplying, and a little bit of adding. So here we have some rabbit food. This rabbit food is $1.50 for 1 pound. So they have it over here in this chart. 1 pound is $1.50. So what would 2 pounds be if I had 2 pounds of rabbit food? $1.50 for 1 pound? $1.50 for my second pound. Adding those together, how much would it cost? It's then skipping. What would 4 pounds cost? What would 10 pounds cost? What would 20 pounds cost? And what would 40 pounds cost? You'll notice I skipped over this box here because it's saying, well, for $9, how many pounds can I get? Draw pictures, write numbers, think about it. Use this space around here to help you figure it out. Last but not least, it says if you paid $16.50 for rabbit food, how many pounds did you buy? It says show your thinking. Now, I know that's hard to do because your brain is thinking. Draw a picture. I might draw here a little picture of some rabbit food. Okay, here I got one thing of rabbit food. That costs $1.50. 2 pounds. Okay, that might be $2 and then 2.50 is okay. That would be about $3. Okay, I got a funny face going on here. Draw a picture. Use your pencils. How many pounds would it be if I paid a $16.50? All right. You guys know what to do. I can use this little erasey tool on mine. Use your eraser if you make a mistake. Use your whiteboard if you'd like to. Today you're completing 2 pages. Okay, just a quick reminder. First, we're doing page 58. Then we're completing page 59. Fill them both out because, like I said, next week we're going to be checking them over. Let's see if we're done with math today. Did we watch our math video? Yes, you're doing it right now. Did you complete these pages? Well, not yet. We just talked about them, but you're going to go do them. Last but not least is practice on Prodigy for 20 minutes. Now, if you'd like to, go to this bottom corner and look at the clock. Mine says 2:45 right now, so in 20 minutes, that would be 3:05. But maybe you don't know how to tell time that fast. No problemo. I always go here to Google and I put in 20-minute timer. When I get there, the timer is right here. So you might press start those times, and then log back over here, clicking on Prodigy and jumping in to play the game. All right. When that timer goes off, you are set to go. Today on Prodigy, you're going to be seeing some multiplication equations. So log in and please don't forget to click Google. We're signing in with Google today. Don't sign in with anything else. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, once your 20-minute timer goes off and hits that 0 button, you are set to go with math. And if I were you, I'd head to lunch, but maybe you're doing math in the afternoon, whatever works best. When I'm done with math, I'm headed to lunch. Have a great time on math, you guys. You've got this.